Hi and welcome to another episode of Fairmont Rainmakers. Today I want to talk about a great company. I want to talk about Tesla today. Now, it's very important for you to know finance. If you want to be financially successful, it's very, very important for you to study finance. You need to know what you're doing with money. Okay, if you have some money, for example, let's say you get a bonus, like probably, well, you have a job in not let's not talk about trading because that's quite different, but if it's something like you work in a bank or any job where or sales where you get commissions, then you can make bonuses. So let's say you make 10k. Now, usually, what will someone do if they get a 10k bonus? For the most part, you will just go holidays, buy maybe replace your car, or just do something that is not very, very smart financially. But you will do that if you don't know about finance, if you don't know how to manage your money. Okay, and I'm talking about this because if you are not organized with your finance, then you won't make a lot of money. Okay, personally, I think that you should live with 20% of what you make. Okay, I mean, especially if you are part of Fairmont Rainmakers. I mean, our franchisees make 100k plus a year. So, I mean, I know if you make 100k, maybe living with 20k is difficult, but you should increase your income. Okay, if you are making 200, then it's not that difficult to live with 20%, 40k. Okay, even if you live with 30%, it's fine. Okay, but my point is that you need to take about between, I would say, 20 to 40%. Okay, and invest into deals, into businesses, into stocks, like into things that will make you money. Okay, there is a lot of people know about Tesla. A lot of people know since Tesla was at 500, 600 a share. They know that it was going to grow. Okay, now Tesla is reaching 500. Okay, I mean, Tesla was well, when I got in, when I knew, okay, that Tesla will just go to the moon. Tesla was at 600. Well, I knew before Corona. Okay, I invested before Corona, but then it went down a lot. Okay, so I didn't think when it went down. I didn't think, oh, okay, let me wait because it will crash. I just thought, well, this is a good opportunity to buy low. Okay, so I didn't know because it's very difficult to predict the bottom. Okay, it's very difficult to know what's the bottom. So I got in at 650. Okay, I got in at 650, and before the stock split. Now this is close to 2,300. Okay, so I mean that's good for me. It's good for a lot of investors that got in early, but in the same way that I made money, that a lot of investors made money. I wanted to make an episode about this because I mean I don't give financial advice or anything like that, but I think it's a good opportunity to make money if you know what you're doing. Okay, I mean, we study billionaires. I study Ron Baron. He invested 355 millions in Tesla. Okay, Now that stock is worth billions. So he made billions in Tesla, okay? And that's when you think about a lot of things, like this guy, okay? He just invested into it's not that he did any work. Like, the work is just researching, knowing the company, but now he made billions on it. Okay, you just need to know what you're doing. Okay, you just need to research a lot, and then study billionaires. Like, if you study billionaires, it's not only to learn what they do and just kind of admire them. No, like, you should take their advice and put it in practice. I mean, I see what they are doing. I see where they are investing. I can learn their strategies with everything. Like, if your life examples are just stupid people or just people that is going nowhere in life, then guess what? You will get nowhere. But if you're studying billionaires and people with big goals and people that is achieving things, then you can get somewhere. I mean, this is just one example, okay, that I wanted to share because I think it's a great example of what you can do when you study billionaires and when you study how they work, how they think, what they do, okay. If you listen to them, like, the things that now in this day and age, there is so much information about it. You can learn so much by just watching free videos about what billionaires say, okay. Like, you know that if you go to YouTube, you will see a lot of ads, okay. A lot of people selling you things, okay, telling you, yes, I will teach you how to make money, like, but it's not that like, I have never watched an ad from a billionaire telling me I will teach you how to make money. I have never seen that, okay. But they teach you how to make money. Like, if you go to YouTube or to CNBC or to Bloomberg Business, or like, they interview a lot of billionaires and you can see what they say, okay. And it's just like the information that they give is great. It's great. I mean, like, they talk about Tesla. I mean, Ron Baron, he talks a lot about Tesla, okay, and he's someone that made billions on that trade, okay. Now, why should you take advice from people that is not doing that? I mean, a lot of people tell you, oh no, you need to work hard, you need to work a lot, like 100 hours a week, which is good, but there are ways. Like, you need to have the right strategy, okay. You need to have the right strategy, and to have the right strategy, you should listen to the experts, okay. Now, let's talk about Tesla, okay. Tesla is going to be, in my perspective, something like a monopoly, like the Apple of cars, okay. Now, Apple is over 2 trillion in market cap now, okay. Tesla market cap is around 400 billion, okay. 400 billion. And what's the potential, okay. Like, what is the future? It's 435 billion, okay. But is Tesla going to stop there, or the market cap will keep growing? I think that it will pass a trillion. It will pass a trillion. I don't know exactly when, but it will pass a trillion, okay. And you either take the opportunity, okay. And it's not only Tesla. I mean, Tesla is one company, okay. Like, if you study to hedge fund managers, you will know that you need to protect the downside. Okay, I mean, if you're trading, you set stop losses, so if you lose the 2, 3, 5%, you stop, and then you can enter in a better time. But if you are trading, then you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. I mean, if you study billionaires, Ray Dalio says it's very difficult to beat the SP500, so that's a safe bet. SP500 over the last 90 years, the average returns are 10% a year. Okay, so if you have money in the bank, you should put a percentage into the SP500 or into something that is giving you more money. Okay, 40% of your money you should invest. Good investments, real estate, good stocks, the SP500. You should just invest that and make more money with that. You should always have also cash, okay? Because a lot of people tell you cash is trash, but in reality, cash is king, okay? If someone is telling you all the time that cash is trash and they are asking you for your cash, then that doesn't make that much sense, okay? So we teach that cash is king, okay? You need to have cash, but also invest, okay? You need to have great investments, okay? Now, what should you do about these opportunities? You should study, okay? When you're trading, you can also buy trade with CFDs, so you can use leverage to trade, okay? I don't recommend you do that, okay? Because if you don't know what you're doing, you shouldn't kind of use leverage straight away. But you can make a lot of money using leverage, okay? Especially if you know what you're buying, okay? Tesla, let's put Tesla for example, okay? If the value doubles, okay, and you use 5 times leverage, okay, you can make, if you put 10k, okay, and you buy 50, you are kind of betting with 50k, okay? If the stock doubles, then the value of your investment will also double, okay? So you will have 100k, okay? 100k, of course, you put 10k, you're betting with 50, but the 40k that you're leveraging is not you're getting it, but you will make around 50k, okay? If you pick a stock that can double, okay? I'm not advising you to buy Tesla or anything, but I could advise you to research. Do your research, okay? Try to look for great investments, but probably just open a demo account, okay? Just don't trade with real money, or put $100 or £100 and just learn about it, okay? Learn as much as you can, okay? Don't buy anything that you think that can go down, okay? A lot of billionaires say don't try to beat the market, okay? So the SP500 is a safe investment, but do your research, okay? That's all for today. I just wanted to share that, and I hope you're doing great and just learn about finance, okay? Study billionaires, learn about finance, and close some deals.